Hello YouTube, how's everybody doing? All right, in this video, if you have a AMANA washer and if you lost complete, no power, and then whenever you press the start button, you don't hear anything, or you don't hear any lights, you don't see any lights, or no blinking, no power at all. First thing you need to do is disconnect the power cord and wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then plug it back. That should reset the system, and it should be good to go. That's exactly what happened to me like 1 hour ago. So I disconnected the power from the back and then waited about 10 minutes and then connected. Then it resets the system. Now I have power back. So now it's ready to wash. All right, hope this helps. Take care, guys. Ciao.